Hello everyone! Welcome back to Stock Crypto World Tour with Vijay. Today, we have an exciting update on the stock market that's sure to grab your attention. Tech stocks are leading a strong rebound, and all eyes are on the Federal Reserve's upcoming decision.
Let's dive into the details.
U.S. equity futures are moving firmly higher today, driven by significant gains in the chip sector and a pullback in Treasury bond yields. Investors are bracing for a crucial Federal Reserve rate decision amidst a flurry of headline risks in global financial markets. Chipmakers like Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Samsung have reported stronger than expected second quarter earnings, thanks to a surge in AI investment demand. This has propelled the semiconductor space into today's trading session, even offsetting the mixed fourth quarter numbers from Microsoft, MSFT. Speaking of Microsoft, the world's second largest company, it topped street forecasts for sales and profits but mentioned that capital spending would continue to rise. There was also modestly slower revenue growth from its Azure cloud division, hinting that hyperscalers may need more time to monetize their AI investments. But the larger market focus today is on the Fed's rate decision, expected at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, followed by a press conference from Chairman Jerome Powell 30 minutes later. While no change is expected in the Fed funds rate, which stands at a two-decade high of between 5.25% and 5.5%, Powell is widely anticipated to signal at least one cut, possibly more, starting in the early autumn. Benchmark 10-year Treasury bond yields have fallen around 15 basis points since the Fed's last meeting in June, and are currently trading at 4.134%, while 2-year notes are marked at 4.367%. Overnight, the Bank of Japan raised its benchmark lending rate for only the second time in 17 years and announced plans to reduce its monthly bond purchases as it slowly normalizes policy following a prolonged fight against deflation. The Bank of England will also unveil its rate decision in London today. However, traders aren't expecting any changes to the benchmark bank rate after a series of stronger than expected GDP growth figures. Heading into today's trading day on Wall Street, futures contracts tied to the S&P 500, which remains in negative territory for the month, are priced for a 53-point gain, with a 120-point boost for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The tech-focused Nasdaq is called 280 points higher, thanks in part to a 9% gain for AMD and a 5.6% lift for Nvidia. Meanwhile, Microsoft shares are marked 2.6% lower at 412.05 each, while Meta Platforms, Meta, which reports after the closing bell, edged 0.22% higher to 464.21 each. Elsewhere, global oil prices jumped higher following news of the assassination of a senior Hamas leader, Ismail Haniyeh, during a visit to Iran. Tehran has blamed the killing on Israel, which has yet to officially comment, while Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has vowed harsh punishment in retaliation. Brent crude futures for September delivery were last seen 1.72 higher at 80.36 per barrel, while WTI contracts for the same month rose 1.94 to 76.67 per barrel. In overseas markets, Europe's Stock 600 rose 0.95% in Frankfurt, while the FTSE 100 gained 1.41% in London. In Asia, the Nikkei 225 ended 0.49% higher following the Bank of Japan rate increase, and the regional MSCI ex-Japan benchmark rose 1.2% into the close of trading.
That's all for today.
If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Stock Crypto World Tour with Vijay for more market insights.
See you next time.